I'm making this video, one, because I am having trouble filming. I think the reason is that my life is out of place. Not so much my life, I guess my home is out of place, and I feel like throughout the week it's hard to keep my home clean. So for today's video, we are going to organize, because I feel like once it's organized and I don't have to worry about it, I feel more comfortable or more capable of filming without worrying about something else. And I feel like that's what I was struggling with this past week in trying to film a makeup look for my channel, was that there was so much else that I needed to do, but felt that filming was a priority, and it really affected it because I could not create a look that I genuinely liked. So this video is going to be all over the place, because not only is it that there's also a few things that I wanted to do. It's going to be good because I need to do this before I can film. We're going to clean, we're going to organize, we're going to do all of that fun, great stuff. So there will be a lot of fast forward clips with music. So that's what this video is. I'm still debating on what the second video will be this week. Either another organizing my life kind of thing, or maybe a bullet journal video. I don't plan on posting a makeup look this week just because I'm trying to get my life together. Let's get to cleaning. Before we start, I'm going to show you what everything is looking like at the momento. Hey. Hi. I'm just looking into a mirror now and didn't even notice that homegirl looked like a troll. But I am going to change clothes into something more cleaning appropriate and ready to clean.
You all saw that mound of clothes over there? So I'm about to Marie Kondo it, tidy it up, go through it, see what sparks joy, see what doesn't spark joy. I can't believe I had that much clothes in our closet. And our closet is huge. But I'm gonna go through it because I know there's a lot of clothes I don't wear. Whatever I don't wear, I'm most likely gonna sell it. I'll probably post where I'm gonna sell it on Insta story, whether it be Poshmark or Instagram or Mercari. Before I tackle that huge mound of clothes and enjoy myself some breakfast, just eating avocado toast. All the cleaning that me and my husband did, which thank God to my husband that he helped. I feel like the cleaning we did was like a warm up, because now I'm about to tackle that huge mound of clothes. I know for the Marie Kondo method, you put all your clothes over there, so including your clothes in your drawers and all of that, but I already went through my drawers and basically put those aside. That's why the clothes that are in the brown paper bags are to be donated or sold, just because some of them like have been only used once or not even used. Yeah, I would say that was basically what has been kind of like, I need to do this, I need to sort my life, I need to fill, but I keep pushing it off. So now that we're finally tackling that main thing, feels good but feels intimidating at the same time. So I'm just gonna enjoy myself some breakfast and then we'll get back to cleaning. Now with this pile of clothes, this is all the clothes that I don't want. So now I'm going to go through them and decide whether I want to sell them, if they're good enough to sell, if they're good enough to donate but not good enough to sell, and then if I just have to throw it away. We are pretty much done with cleaning. Any projects that we wanted to do today, we've done them. I definitely feel a lot better, relieved, calmed. and ready to film some videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of organizing, completing things, getting our life together. If you haven't already, please subscribe because that would mean so much to me. If you want to keep up with me elsewhere, my social media is always down below and at the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one.